How to sell on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can sell on Binance. Now first thing first, before you do any trading on crypto app, you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. Unless and until if your account is not verified, you won't be able to do any sort of transaction. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log into your Binance account, and that's going to take you to this sort of interface. Over here you need to go ahead and tap the trade icon located right at the bottom. After you click on it, then you'll be able to see two different drop down menu. Go ahead and tap the buy button. Then you'll need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell. First of all, before you typing in the amount, tap the sell button and then enter the exact amount. Click the sell button located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll need to go through all of the information that you've provided, and then within 2 to 3 business days later, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully sold on Binance. And that is how you can sell assets on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.